Bosnia and Herzegovina, a land where time breathes through the echoes of history. Nestled in the heart of Southeast Europe, this region is a crossroads of civilizations, each leaving their indelible imprint on the landscape and culture. Our journey begins in the Neolithic Age, where the first settlers laid the foundations of what would become a vibrant tapestry of human history. As we traverse the epochs, we encounter the might of the Roman Empire, whose influence still resonates in the architectural marvels scattered across the land. The ebb and flow of time then brings us to the Ottoman period, a time of momentous change that brought with it a new language, religion, and distinctive cultural practices. The Austro-Hungarian era follows, infusing Bosnia and Herzegovina with a unique blend of Eastern and Western influences. From the whispers of the past, Bosnia and Herzegovina has been a melting pot of cultures and civilizations. As the wheels of time turned, the 20th century brought both turmoil and transformation. Bosnia and Herzegovina, a country nestled in the heart of Europe, was no stranger to these winds of change. The century began with the grim shadows of the world wars looming large. The country, much like the rest of the world, grappled with the devastating impact of these global conflicts. Just as the echoes of the world wars started to fade, another upheaval was on the horizon. The rise and eventual dissolution of Yugoslavia left a profound imprint on the nation. This period was marked by a complex blend of socio-political shifts, economic challenges, and a quest for national identity. The 20th century's final decades saw the country plunged into the harrowing Bosnian War. This brutal conflict left deep scars on the land and its people. The echoes of this strife are still audible in the silent whispers of the country's historic walls. Yet, amid the rubble and despair, Bosnia and Herzegovina began a remarkable journey of recovery. Stitching together a fabric torn by conflict, the nation embarked on the path of healing and rebuilding. Its people, resilient and tenacious, faced adversity with unyielding courage. Through trials and tribulations, Bosnia and Herzegovina has shown an indomitable spirit of resilience. This spirit, forged in the crucible of the 20th century, continues to define the nation as it strides confidently into the future. Today, Bosnia and Herzegovina stands as a testament to its enduring spirit and rich heritage. This Balkan jewel, nestled between Croatia, Serbia, and Montenegro, is a place where East meets West, and where history is very much alive. Bosnia and Herzegovina is a nation of contrasts. Its cities, such as the capital Sarajevo, pulse with life. Here the air is filled with the aroma of strong coffee, the rhythm of lively music, and the hum of conversation in multiple languages. It's a place where ancient Ottoman-era bazaars sit beside modern shopping centers, and centuries-old mosques, churches, and synagogues share the skyline with contemporary architecture. Venture beyond the urban centers and you'll find a different side to Bosnia and Herzegovina. The countryside is a serene tableau of rolling hills, deep forests, and crystal-clear rivers. It's a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts, offering everything from hiking and rafting to winter sports. The warm hospitality of the Bosnian people is legendary. Visitors are welcomed as if they were family, and it's common to be invited into homes for a cup of traditional Bosnian coffee or a hearty meal. The nation's cuisine is as diverse as its culture, with influences from the Mediterranean, the Middle East, and Central Europe. Tourism in Bosnia and Herzegovina is on the rise. Its unique blend of cultures, stunning natural beauty, and rich history make it an off-the-beaten-path destination that is gaining recognition worldwide. In the present day, Bosnia and Herzegovina is a vibrant tapestry woven with threads of its diverse past and promising future. From the echoes of history to the pulse of the present, Bosnia and Herzegovina is a country like no other. This land, cradled within the heart of Europe, is a testament to resilience and the enduring spirit of its people. It's a place where the past and present intertwine in a vibrant tapestry of cultures, religions, and traditions, all coexisting harmoniously under the same sky. Bosnia and Herzegovina's rich history is etched into the cobblestone streets of its ancient cities, whispered through the walls of its centuries-old mosques and churches, and reflected in the faces of its warm and welcoming people. But it's not just the history that makes this country unique. It's also the breathtaking natural beauty. From the emerald green rivers carving through the rugged mountains, to the serene waterfalls cascading into crystal-clear lakes, The country's landscapes are a masterpiece of Mother Nature's design. So, come and explore. Experience the essence of Bosnia and Herzegovina for yourself. Bosnia and Herzegovina, a country where each stone tells a story, each landscape paints a picture, and each moment is a step through the corridors of time.